Today we're here at the Fab Shop. The Fab Shop is important to Mall City because it's the heart of our business in order to get our products installed in the projects. These guys all spend time going from raw material to the finished goods that we put out in the job sites. Sheet metal workers and pipe fitters that work in this building for the most part. Brian Quinn, who's been here for like, I don't know, 110 years, is back there. He's always working on the fittings. He's pretty much in charge of that. He's like our shop foreman here.
Some of the things that we're going for and working with the Fab First mentality is ways we can help out in the field. We've got some emphasis and have had some success with spooling ductwork, going ahead and building it basically 3 pieces at a time here. Really trying to do as much of the boiler rooms as we can. We're able to use these competitive advantages in the field by not needing as much manpower with the manpower market the way it is. So ultimately, we're able to benefit the customer by reducing the amount of time it takes for us to do our job on site and allowing the other trades to get in and do their jobs.
Here at the Fab Shop, we're manifolding duct in a controlled environment, which is going to make for a higher quality product because there's less environmental factors. The idea is to put a higher quality product out in the field and reduce labor costs on the job site. It's nice for the guys out in the field because they're not spending countless hours sorting semis and figuring out where all their pieces are and having to build them.
We're currently standing in the pipe shop working on some prefabrication for some of the schoolwork we got. There's less distractions. We're able to get isometric drawings, cut and fabricate to however the field decides that it needs to be installed, and then we can ship it out ready for installation. So with a Fab First mentality, we're trying to get ahead of the curve and try to catch some things before we got boots on the ground on the job. So here Remington's working on some fabrication for the boiler room at the Mattawan Chiller project. One of the benefits of having the equipment and the skilled labor here is that we can really efficiently weld things that normally would cost a lot more money and time on the job. And the nice thing is that once the field lays these out and sends them to us, they can devote their time to other things. And then when the fabrications arrive, they can just go right to the install.
When I said we were investing into our Fab Shop, this is exactly one of those things that we've done. So the Stratus is a big deal for our future of our Fab Shop because it's really going to take us from handwritten isometric drawings to isometric drawings that are coming off the model that we don't even have to involve the field in the beginning portion of that. Those who get in first win, so that's what we want to do. We're looking to win on every project as much as we can.
And the goal is that once we work through some of these hurdles, that instead of drawing traditional ISOs, both the fabricators and myself can go into the model and fabricate off these models. Whoever the site foreman is can log into Stratus 2 and see the current status of whatever it is we're working on. He can make changes to scheduling, how he wants deliveries, but it goes all the way down to where you've got it installed, tested, flushed, inspected, all these things, which is great for the construction managers because then we can actually provide them with real-time info as to the status of the project or what part of the system we're working on.
So these guys are cutting strut for Portage Central. It's extremely efficient on the green leaf strut cutter. Doesn't leave a burr like it would with a bandsaw or a porta-band. So when we send it out in the field, they just got to find the label of where they're working and start hanging duct. Part of our custom fab department, Mark's here. He's cleaning up some custom lift assist parts for a customer of ours. We do a lot of stainless steel work for our hospitals and building tables, and you can imagine it, we can build it.
We spent a lot of money upgrading this Fab Shop over the last 5 or 6 years, and it's really come a long ways from what we used to do to what we're doing now. So we're excited about the future of that too.